Yo, what's up? Today we are in Seminyak 8th Street. It's beautiful afternoon and check this out. Who is with me today? Sayang, how you doing, baby?
All right, glad to be back again. And thanks God, my mom already feeling better. My mom already home after a few days. Oh my God, I don't know what to explain.
So much was going on, right?
So much is going on. And yeah, I'm back again with Damian. So yeah, happy to see you guys. And the thing is that I have to stay around in Bali.
Bali life, right?
Bali life.
Well,
If you know Bali life. That's it.
Yeah, that's it, right? But some of you actually really happy as we are back to Bali, so maybe that's how it's supposed to be. Some people said that's the destiny. All right, let's go. Let's have a look what's going on the 8th Street. Some people enjoying their afternoon today. This is the Greek restaurant here. Also, some people enjoying their time. It's the middle of March. The rainy season is already gone. Check this out. The color of the sky is beautiful weather. However, it's still considered as the low season. So the crowds will come probably starting end of April, beginning of May. That's supposed to be busy, but it's not so bad actually. It's pretty enjoyable. There's some nice ice cream shop actually. Also people enjoying. Money changers, some happy Jews smoking fresh cold beer. Fresh cold beer. I just thought as they are always fresh in general. Palm Lagoon, nice boutique with the tropical swimwear, I could say, and stuff like this. Little doggo sleeping on the street, some families strolling around also, that's cool. And there's not even much traffic situation currently. Probably later at 7, 8 when the La Favela is open everything is getting busier, but recently it's like this one pretty actually enjoyable. Some Pasha hotel also like this one. So actually it's very enjoyable vibe right now on the 8th Street. However, yes, of course this is not as busy as it used to be, and that needs time. That's definitely needs time, more time, maybe a few months. Maybe this season gonna be better than last season. And well, that's simply how does it look like. Some bars, here was happy waiters, and this is also a very nice place for chill, some cafe shop, and the loud cars of this. There is actually so many villas live inside of the small alley, so many people who are already staying there. Some construction of something also, so it's actually cool. Next to Ginger Moon. Ginger Moon is actually open, nice little place. Also some people enjoying their early dinner already in Ginger Moon, so it's cool. Bali taxi is not a bluebird taxi, by the way. Have to be very careful when you are going from small alley, but there's so many villas, that's why so many people come there. People honking, corn guy is here, taxis are back. But also actually to compare to Ubud especially, there is so many empty buildings out of business. And here also on the other side, I think that was the rumors long time ago. Those businesses, they never come back. This is actually pretty sad, but well, people honking, taxis stuck here, that's why they honking. This hotel is open again, but the reason why so many restaurants here are closed is the rent is hilarious. I mean, the expensive very, very badly, and maybe that's why. That's the Italian job. It was busier during the pandemic, but they had a 50% off. Now the price is 100%, so it's not that busy. Some tattoo shops also open back again to the business. Some people even inside making some tattoos, massage parlors, everything is slowly coming back. We are going into the direction of La Favela, obviously, and the central location of the 8th Street. Okay, recently I'm making videos like trying to go to the popular spots, what you guys enjoyed. I did the research, what videos have the most popular ones. And I know you really like the 8th Street, so I will cover for next upcoming days all of these areas. And then we're gonna go try to travel somewhere in Bali, maybe doing something a little bit different. But for now, for sure, we're gonna make a regular videos. I hope so you enjoy. This is the 8th Street today. There is some new looking hotel, resort and villas. People taking the Grab drivers, the motorbikes, and the Ultimo is here. Long time ago it's Char, now it's Ultimo. Happy people everywhere. Yo, people walking, I don't know, to me, to them. Little bit disorientated today, what's going on. And this is the bamboo blonde here, Bali baby. Overall, it's definitely more people strolling like those people here and everywhere than last time. It's Sunday, so supposed to be maybe busy, but it's low season. Well, that's how it is. At least there is no big traffic jam. That's actually, I think it's good. So yeah, how do you feel coming back to Bali after 3 months abroad?
Busy, you know, looking after my mom. Yeah, and then this is a time I use, you know, with you guys, just because we've got many messages that asking how is my mom, how is me, and yeah, all is well. Thank you so much for asking me how I am. Thank you, much appreciated.
There's also a lot of Asian tourists here. I'm not sure where they're coming from, but they are not Indonesian, but Asian, that's for sure. And overall, the streets looks like this one. There's the sunset in the background. My camera have a problem with autofocus to catch the bright sky or the orange sky, which is the sunset. And Kimberly Spa and everything. And also this one should be something new in the nearest future. Actually, pretty nice project it's gonna be, I believe. And let's have a little stroll. We are halfway already to going to famous La Favela area. That's the busiest corner. Also very nice boutique. Each street is also popular for the restaurant, also for the boutiques. It's also like capital city of the fashion in Bali. Or I could say Little Paris in Bali also could be. However, there is so many empty, like this one. There should be El Gringos or something, but they postponed. So looks currently like it's the half open, half not. And religion, somebody asked me long time ago, it's still open and still exists here. This is the central location, some stars with the regular stuff, and the goat, the pub of Seminyak. This place is supposed to be busy and usually is very busy. And yeah, overall situation looks like this one. They have, I think, regular staff here as always. Nothing really has changed. The loud music everywhere, some people having here enjoying their stroll, and there is the fire. Something is going on. That's the proper barbecue. Check this out. We are and this is the central location. It actually feels a little bit like that, but I believe if you come here at 8 o'clock, will be busy. But now it's 6:30. Maybe many people are still on the beach. There's the red carpet, champagne shop, restaurant, bar, and there's some construction. La Favela, of course, at the front. I think they opened at 7 recently. And this is also the Nantes by Coco Bistro and Coco Shop is still here actually. Nothing really has changed. Yeah, that's how does it look like. And there you can go up to Legian and Sunset Road, obviously into that direction. This area is very smoky because of this barbecue, and every restaurant have a loud music. Somebody happy with the bluebird, and this is Berlin kebab. Looks like a Hooters everywhere. So yeah, they make a copy, but obviously this part of the world is famous for the making the copies of different brands. And yeah, this is at the front of the goat one more time. Actually, when I'm walking here already coming back, I have a feeling this is actually quieter than it was in December when I was making videos here last time. But like somebody yesterday actually noticed this is still low season, so maybe that's why. But well, I don't know, let's see. I'm just making these videos for the first time after 3 months of break, so let's see how does it look like. Hope so you enjoy. By the way, you can let me know in the comment section, like I asked you last time on my first video from Sanur, where would you like me to go next, so I can probably go tomorrow, after tomorrow there. I'm listening your recommendations. I already covered Sanur, covered Legian, covered Ubud, now it's Seminyak. Probably Kuta left and Canggu. That is also Nusa Dua and other stuff. So let me know. I mean, that's how does it look like. Actually, I think last time at this time it was already busier on the street and traffic was going on. But now the cars are driving something, so it's actually not so bad. Also, it's nothing to complain actually about. Also, I have a feeling as this each street should change the name into Fashion Street because there is more boutiques like with the clothes and the accessories and fancy stuff. over the restaurants and the places to eat, which is actually very interesting. Also, this salon, I remember they opened in 2019. It was hype, but it's totally empty today. So yeah, Ultima also empty behind. So I don't know, it's definitely more boutiques than restaurants, but trend is changing. I think most of the restaurants also moving into Canggu area actually. So yeah, maybe it's like that. Hello. There's also actually so many like this on abandoned looking buildings and restaurants and something what was here. This is actually pretty sad and doesn't look as somebody working on it. And to show you where is it, it's just at the front of the Ginger Moon actually. So that's actually sad. The Ginger Moon is a very nice place in general, but well, area here still a little bit quiet, I could say. But you can let me know what do you think about this situation right now. So as Winnie have to stay around her family, Bali life, you know what I mean, right? We have to start over again. Our plans are postponed or cancelled. So many of you also asking us where we're gonna stay in Bali. We don't know at the moment yet, but Winnie needs to find start a new job. So we're not sure if we're gonna live in Sanur. As many of you asking, are you gonna guys stay in Sanur? We're not sure about that. And yeah, well, we just have to start over. But well, that's how it is. Let me know if you're happy. As we're gonna make videos from Bali, because that's what's probably gonna look like for the next few. So many dogs here for the next while, longer while probably. Let's see. So many beautiful boutiques with so many beautiful dresses everywhere around nowadays on the 8th Street, and this is the main corner where usually is so much traffic actually. Not probably because it's so busy, but because there is one-way road, this is two-way road, and then everybody going, and also Seminyak Square, many people parking their cars there and bikes, so always it's a little bit busy here. But also actually in this corner there's few places to having a coffee or breakfast at morning and dinner at dinner time obviously right now. So that's also maybe that's why actually the busiest part. Recently in Bali, usually where is the junction like this one is the busiest part. That's what I noticed, and simply that's how does it look like. And here, of course, boutique shop, and at the front is already the Seminyak Square. Be aware of the scammers in the area. Always remember, guys. If you go there, there will be Kudeta, of course, and some hotels like Seminyak Hotel. Well, that's how does it look like in the Seminyak Square corner.
Alright, so that's the first vlog. I come back to Bali, right? But previously Damian make the videos. Loud bikes. Okay, thanks for watching and see you tomorrow. Bye.